Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.4 question number 7. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meters of shirt material he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,660. How much trouser material did he buy? Let us solve this problem. Let us solve. Let 2x meter of trouser material let 2x meter of trouser material 2x meter of trouser material trouser material trouser material and 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 3x meter 3x meter of 3x meter of shirt material shirt material shirt material shirt material be bought by him shirt material be bought by him bought by him right. Therefore per meter therefore per meter therefore per meter selling price per meter selling price per meter selling price per meter selling price of trouser material per meter selling price of trouser material of trouser material trouser material is equal to rupees. Let's see, that cost him 90 rupees per meter. Therefore, the selling price of trouser material equal to cost price is 90 plus 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 12% profit, right? 12% plus 12% of this, that is 12% of 90, that is 12% means 12 by 100 into 90. Now find what is the value. This 0 will cut. If you multiply 12 into 9, that is 12 into 9, 9 to 18, carry 1, it is 8, 9 to 9, 10, 108, and divided by 10 is equal to 10.8, is equal to 10.8, right? Therefore we are getting rupees 90 plus 10.8 plus 10.8. We add the numbers, we are getting rupees 100.80 100.80, right? This is the selling price of trouser material. Now we'll find selling price of shirt material per meter, per meter, per meter, selling price of trouser material, shirt material, selling price, selling price, selling price of shirt material, selling price of shirt material, selling price of shirt material is equal to rupees. What is the cost price? Cost price is rupees 50 plus. What is the profit? Profit is 10%. Therefore, 10% of rupees 50 is 10%, 10 by 100 into 50, 10 by 100 into 50. That becomes, you see, this 0 will cut, and this 0 will cut. That is 50 plus 5, that is rupees 55. That is rupees 55. Right? That is selling price of shirt material is equal to rupees 55 and selling price of trouser material per meter is rupees 100.80. Right? Given that the total amount of selling, given that total amount of selling, given that total amount of selling, total amount of selling, total amount of selling is equal to rupees 36,000, 36 rupees 36,000, 36,660, 36,660. Therefore, according to the question, 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 100.80 into, this is for trouser material, and trouser material is 2x meter, that is into 2x into 2x plus 55 plus 55 into 3x is equal to 36,000, is equal to 36,660, 36,660, right? If we multiply this one, 100.80 into 2, that is 100. This is 100.80, that is 100.80 into 2, that will come to 0. 8 is 16, carry 1, it is 6, that is 1, 2 0 0, 2 1 is 2, 2, and the point will be here 201.60, right? That is we are getting 201.60x plus 55 into 3, multiply 55 with 3, that is we are getting 3 5 is 15, carry 1, it is 5, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16, that is 165, that is 165x, 65. X is equal to 36,000 is equal to 36,660. 660, right? Now if you add this one, what you are getting, that 201.60 plus 165, 165.00. If we add this one, we are getting, it is 0, it is 6, it is 0.5 plus 1 is 6, 6, 3, 366 point 366.60. Therefore we are getting 300. Therefore we are getting 300, 366, 366, 66 point 366.6060. X is equal to 36,660, right? Therefore the value of x is equal to, if we divide both sides by 366.60, we will get x is equal to x. If we divide both sides by 366.60, we are getting x is equal to, that x is equal to 36,660 divided by 300 divided by 366, 300 divided by 366.60, or we will get 36,660 divided by 36,660 divided by this one, that is into 100 into 100, right? That is, we are getting, this will cut by 1, this will cut, this will cut, this is 1, this is 1, and the value of x is equal to 100, right? Therefore what we are getting, the trouser material is 2x meter. Trouser material is equal to, 2x meter, 2x meter. Therefore we are getting 2, the value of x is 100, 2 into 100 meter. Therefore it is 200 meter. 200 meter. This is the answer. How much trouser material did he buy? Therefore the answer is, he bought. Therefore the answer is, he bought 200 meter, 200 meter trouser material. This is the answer, right? Therefore he bought 200 meter trouser material. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.